We begin the ReidOut tonight with the QAnon queen, who is now the standard bearer for the GOP. Or at this point, shouldn't we just go with the GQP? Republican Party leaders in the House of Representatives have evidently abandoned any and all notions of even pretending to solve a problem like Marjorie Taylor Greene, as the reigning Trumpian troll has sunk to her most unhinged low yet. Minority Leader Kevin McCarthy has essentially been hiding amid an uproar over her latest stupid human tricks. Specifically, Margie Q's claim that House Speaker Nancy Pelosi's mask restrictions for the House are akin to the Holocaust, the actual one, during World War II. Now, usually I wouldn't do this because, frankly, her voice annoys me. And just about everything that she says is unhinged or dumb. But this time, I think that you need to hear what the QAnon queen said on the Christian Broadcasting Network last week.
This woman is mentally ill. You know, we can look back in a time in history where people were told to wear a gold star, and they were definitely treated like second-class citizens, so much so that they were put in trains and taken to gas chambers in Nazi Germany. And this is exactly the type of abuse that Nancy Pelosi is talking about.
But Margie didn't stop there. Confronted with the predictable outrage over her comparing her and her colleagues' refusal to get vaccinated and mandates that they remain masked on the House floor to prevent the spread of a deadly virus that some Republicans have already spread to their colleagues. Comparing that to millions of Jews being forced to wear a Star of David so they could be readily identified as Jews and sent to concentration camps where they would be murdered en masse by the millions by German Nazis. Marge stomped her little booted feet out onto her alternate reality America First tour with alleged teeny dater Matt Gaetz and doubled down.
I stand by all of my statements. I said nothing wrong. And I think any rational Jewish person didn't like what happened in Nazi Germany, and any rational Jewish person doesn't like what's happening with overbearing mask mandates and overbearing vaccine policies.
Any rational Jewish person doesn't believe they own a space laser with which they can burn down America's forests, dear. But clearly, folks, what we're lacking in this moment are rational Republicans who can hear that anti-Semitic dog whistle from a non-working, committee-less congresswoman who just can't seem to stop turning Jewish people into a lump sum or a parody in order to siphon off their historic victimhood for herself and her white nationalist friends. Or who, when she's not being anti-Semitic or just weird, spends her 100% free time being a pro-sedition racist or downright dangerous and threatening to her colleagues. And sadly, there are precious few, besides the usual suspect or rational Republicans, who are willing to call her out. Congressman Adam Kinzinger tweeted that her comments were absolute sickness. The recently excommunicated Congresswoman Liz Cheney called them evil lunacy. And those two can speak up. That's great. But they can't actually do anything to Marge, since they hold no leadership positions. As you'll recall, Cheney was just stripped of hers. But the actual Republican Party leaders, I'm looking at you, Puppet Kevin McCarthy, they could do something. Kevin could, as the American Jewish Congress has already done, state that her comments demean the atrocities of the Holocaust and call on Greene to apologize and retract her statements. Or he could move to expel her from Congress outright, like a change.org petition with tens of thousands of signatures is calling for. After all, Kevin wasted no time giving Cheney the boot after she said that Margie's golden idol has no place in the party. So let's hear the response to her latest from Puppet Kevin and his number 2, David Duke without the baggage Scalise, and his number 3, Elise, what do I have to say to get this power? Because I really will say anything, Stefanik. Ah, that's right. Not a peep.